So I took this sunset time lapse near my house the other day, and I'm going to show you the two different methods of making the time lapse video using the AKASO EK7000 4K actions camera. First method is to record it as a video and speed it up later using Windows Movie Maker. Now let's go to the setting by pressing the front button and using the top button to select video resolution. And there are a few options to choose from. For this example, I will be using 1080p. I set up the camera pointing at the clock and my working monitor, and I recorded around 1 hour of the video, and EK7000 is going to split that into 25 minutes clip. I will choose one of the 25 minutes clip and drag and drop it into the Windows Movie Maker. Let it prepare the file first. When that's done, go to edit and choose from the speed drop down 32x, and you can see that the 25 minutes clips is now 48 seconds. I want to put a music into it, so I go and add a music which I have prepared previously. And when that's done, I can now go and save the movie. I choose a high definition video and name it Clock and click save. This method is quick and easy. The problem is this 1080p recordings is taking up a lot of space, and processing the video could take ages depending how long is the video. Anyway, let's see the result. Not too bad, get the job done. So the second method I'm going to show later on is to take photos in every other seconds and link them up using Windows Movie Maker. For this method, there are a few things we need to set up. First, we need to choose the photo resolutions. So go back to settings, select photo resolution, and for this method I will choose the highest, which is the 12 megapixel. Next we go to exposure. I'm going to take some sunset video which is pointing directly to the sun, so I will be choosing -2 exposure. Next we will go to time lapse, and I will choose every 2 seconds I will take a photo. And continuous lapse, I'll choose turn on, which will let it continuously take photos every 2 seconds. Once that is done, I brought my tripod and set up my EK7000 near my house where I can have a good view of the sunset, and let the EK7000 take still photos every 2 seconds for around half an hour. I brought home 604 photos in that around half an hour period of time. And let's open up Windows Movie Maker and drag and drop the 600 photos into Windows Movie Maker. Finish loading. I will go to edit. For the duration drop down, I'll choose 0.04 seconds for every single photo. You may ask, why 0.04? Well, I look up in the internet. You can see that I want to make a 25 frame per second video, and to get a 25 frame per second, I'll get the calculators out. So 1 second I divided by 25 frames, which means that per photo is 0.04 seconds. The clip is now around 24 seconds. I also prepare a background music for this sunset time lapse. Trim it using audiotrimmer.com, and the music is from a no copyright music found in YouTube. I like background music in time lapse because I think that the music sort of add a little bit of feelings into the video. Don't you think so? I can also choose to have a medium fade in and a slow fade out. I think I'm done. I will now save the movie. I'll use the same settings as I used in the first clip, which is the high definition display. I'm going to name this time-lapse sunset. By the way, I will also upload both of these time-lapse video I just made as a separate video in my channel, and I will include that link in the description below. Now let's see how the final result looks like. Alright, that's all. Simple time-lapse features in the AKASO EK7000 Actions camera. Lastly, please subscribe to my channel, and as I will have more videos coming out soon. Well, thank you and goodbye.